Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn how to write capital ABC in 4-line sheet. So for writing ABC, kids must have knowledge of standing line, sleeping line, curve, etc. So let us start with A. A. So for writing A, first of all slanting line, second slanting line and one sleeping line. So this is A. Now let us write B. Standing line, one small curve, second small curve. So this is B. Now C. One curve like this is C. Let us write D. One standing line and one curve is D. E. Standing line, one sleeping line, second, third sleeping line. Like this, 1, 2, 3 sleeping line makes E. Now F. One standing line, one sleeping line, second sleeping line. So this makes F. Now G. A curve like C, small sleeping line and a standing line. This is G. Now H. One standing line, one sleeping line, another standing line makes H. So this is E, F, G, H. I. Now I. One standing line and two small sleeping lines makes I. Now J. One standing line, small curve and sleeping line makes J. Now let us make K. One standing line, one slanting line, another slanting line makes K. So this is K. Now L. One standing line, another sleeping line makes L. I, J, K, L. Now let us make M. One standing line, slanting, another slanting and standing. So this makes M. Now let us make N. One standing line, slanting line, another standing line makes N. Now let us make O. This is like a round ball like 0. This is O. Now let us make P. Standing line and a small curve makes P. M, N, O. Now let us make Q. So this is oval like O and small slanting line makes Q. Now let us write R. One standing line, one curve and slanting line makes R. Let us make S. One small curve, second small curve make S like this. Now let us make T. Sleeping line, standing line makes T. Q, R, S, T. Now let us make U. One standing line, curve and again standing line makes U. This is U. Now V. One slanting line, second slanting line makes V. W, 2 times V, or slanting, another slanting, these 4 slanting lines makes W. X, 2 slanting lines crossing each other makes X. One slanting, second slanting makes X. U, V, W, X. Now let us make Y. One slanting line, big slanting line makes Y. Small slanting. So this is Y. Now let us write Z. So friends, this is capital A, B, C up to Z. So friends, if you like the video, then please like and share the video and do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video and keep watching for more such videos. Thank you.